Hello guys, Edshed. Now, we've been a bit slapped with camera work today, really sorry, but my assistant here, as you can see, is assembling the front wishbones. What he's done, what we've gone for is the C&Ns we found in stock. So he had to burn them out because the simple reason is we couldn't push them out, they were seized in there solid. He's hasn't wire brushed that one up, have you? Look at that, look at the state of that, see? Anyway, so he's done that, we got the bush out and we've reassembled them, and we haven't touched the torsion bar tension setting because fortunately they're all rusted on solid. So what we're going to do next is give them a gentle coat of silver paint. There's the remains of the what do you do when your E-type suspension bushes are burning. Get out of the way because they smell absolutely horrendous. Anyway, there's the drive shaft, seized solid, so I'm having to cut the UJ off. I've got loads of these, but I haven't got the shaft, so I've got to cut them off. But we going to splat at the moment, so until we get another battery in the grinder, we can't do it. My right hand man is over here, and he's become the Wishbone Kid. This one looks to have had a new, that one's got a new ball joint in it, but that gator needs to be wired in properly. But that looks like a brand new one. Happy days. So once that, so we only got to bush one of them then, yeah? Yeah. All right. Okay. Look, see, look, he's drinking already. See, look, this you. And that's, we can't mention that because
I think viewers will know that that's not me.
No. All right, guys. So I'm gonna just weld the silly bugger on. Get it? Silly. All right. And then we're going to be cooking with gas, I reckon. Looking good, Riz. Looking good. Right. This is how you, as a novice or a beginner, lead tutorial to part one. He's pushed the bush out using the vise. Now, you won't be able to see him, so I might have to turn along because he's obviously, this is my right hand man, apprentice perfectionist. Right, so what he's doing is he's replacing the bushes. He's pushing them out rather than burning these out because the other ones have got a metal sleeve and it was seized solid on the shaft. So we had to burn one out and the others, we burnt four out because I just couldn't be bothered to push them out because they kept jumping out the press. So he's now doing that. So this is here. Now he'll show you. He's using an old piston out of a brake caliper, which happens to be the wrong size. Well, it's the right size for the bottom wish, but it's not the right size for the top.
No, but it works.
But it works. So what are you doing?
But it also it could be deeper would be a bonus because this one's already been pushed out as far as it will go. Using this socket and that. In the vise.
So what are you trying to tell me?
We went like this.
Inadequate toolage.
Inadequate toolage. See, this is your. So now what I was doing was
look. See something else about how that was about to all fall off, but nobody would have noticed that apart from me. Children. Anyway, Unam. Anyway, look. What I'm going to say. Yeah, I know. Listen, there is a way you can do that. That's the one you can't get out.
Well, that's the one that's just
jammed it halfway in out. Right, have you got I don't know where that went.
Where's the socket?
Yeah, where did it go?
It went down here on the floor.
Well, that's why when you do things with sockets, keep putting them back. And this does have a metal sleeve in it, which is going to catch, hopefully. What have you got in the way of a bar of pryage? Or even just something. Oh God, I'll tell you what. Something that they're going.
There's much easier ways to do it.
You're doing that all wrong. Yes.
He didn't say how
Give me a primer. Just give me something. Just help me. A Udemy. Right, hammer. Clarkson. Bloody hell. Bloody hell, Jeremy. Worked for you. Worked for food. Right, anyway. What are you doing? You cleaning them all up with a little wire brush, haven't you?
Oh, I hadn't.
Now, did you realise they're different?
Yes. It's got 2 on it.
Did you find the bits they bolt to? No, you didn't, did you?
No, because they weren't attached to them. I
No.
wasn't looking for the bits they bolt to.
Well, hang on. Look, watch out. There's the door handles there. It's unseizing, so be careful. Oh, we're screwed then. They're in a box somewhere.
It's the same as everything
Oh,
else.
that's not freaking right. He turns the voice too bloody tight.
I didn't do the vice, did I?
I don't know my own strength.
It was you.
Yeah, that's because I look, listen. I trained with what's his name, Henry Royce. I can file square bolt heads.
Edgerleys.
Or was they octagonals?
Octagonals.
Right, so you're going to do that, and then what you're going to find a gator. Gator. Well, you see, that's what I mean. Now, do you know why I end up working till 4 in the morning? Because every job,
Cider.
you go, no, every job, it takes a long time. You know, it's like, you think that, how long have I been doing? I've not stopped. And I've done that, this, that, and that. And I'm going out of my mind.
Technically, you've done parts of each of those.
Yeah, I know. I've had to do all the technical, difficult bits. You're doing a fantastic job there, because I could have done that. It would have been
In
done
half the time.
about a quarter of the bloody time. Listen, and when I say something, what's that famous in-ball line? I'm always right.
Was it? Why are you bothering? Just buy a new one.
yeah. Why didn't come? 2 plus 2 ain't worth a carrot, are they? They're only you get on eBay for about 1,500 quid. Come on eBay.
2 a penny.
Take yourself a load of work. Yeah, God, some bloody experts out there. What I'm saying, you know. I'll tell you what though, we have to do is we've got to get the welding and grinding done. Now this video might go out. I don't know. It might go out, but
It will be heavily edited.
I hope it won't be. It better not be. Listen, I want to apologise to any of my neighbours because I have been working quite late at night doing it, but I wanted to get it all over and done with. Rather than make every day a grind-a-thon, I thought you could have sort of 5 or 6 days. Well, you only had 4 days. You had 3 late nights, right? And they were Saturday night. If you were asleep at night, you were a lucky bloke. But basically, I want to get all of it done, and then it's just reassembled quietly, and you should be happy. So, this is for, was it? Adrian! I did it for you. Claire. Right, so you get that done, I'll get a cider. We'll meet back in the shed, Ed. And he's not telling you what he's doing.
Because I can't get a word in edgeways because you're waffling in the
Get on
background.
here. Try and interrupt me. I'd just like to say, when I come back, I hope this back wing's giving me the right colour.
He did it his way. So, ladies and gentlemen, now that he's gone, this one's got quite a lot of rust in it. So, this will be a bit that we're going to speed it up. Probably want it about now. We're back. So, here it is. Here's our bush. Here's our piston. And some slick and spray. Put that on there. Roll it in. Get it started. Into the rice. Push it through. There we go. That's as far as it's going to go there. As you can see. Piston on that side. Back into the vise. And then it's time to guesstimate. See, this one's slightly more awkward because it's got a bit of a shape to it. Yeah, I reckon we're good. Alright guys, you reckon? Let's see, I'm sure there are proper ways of doing that. But that was the way that he just showed me earlier on today. And that was the way that obviously I got told that it was going to be done. And I think we're ready to paint.
That's what we do. Clean it all up with our little... Is that a new bush in there then?
Yeah, this is the one with the new bushes.
Yeah.
Those are the bushes I've just put in. This is the one that had the new
These
bushes.
are these front suspension done. Did the back wing get ready? It didn't get rubbed down, did it?
How am I going to do that?
In your spare time. Could you do that now? So I don't have to do it, so I don't have to do it. Anyway, we're trying to clear the metal off so I can do some welding. If you do that now, right, then you can come, because you won't be doing any painting. So, I've now got a mask on because my assistant here is going to do some grinding and whatever. I'm now going to go look for else. So, going to stop you there, guys, because we really are running out of SIM card. Like and subscribe, follow me about on Instagram, and remember, it could be you.